Hi, what have you been doing? Huh? We made Brownie to lick the spoon.
Oh my goodness, you got energy!
Come on, Kevin. Hurry. Hurry, hurry. Hurry onto the ice. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Don't touch it, that's gross. You're going back for it, don't you do it. Yeah, hi.
I just, whenever you feel like doing something cute. Oh!
Come on.
Like that. You okay, mister?
He's got this. Wow, look at his wrist. He's just flexible. Oh yeah, you got that. Make a tumbler of you yet.
Oh, get out of it.
Oh boy.
Go!
You gotta hold on to it, Bug.
Hello. Whoops. Hello. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Boots are hard, he says.
Doing pretty good though, kid. Oh, you got me. Hi. Wanna come down the slide? I'll catch you. Ready? Come here. Come here. Whoa! That's nice and slick. Yay! You want to do it again? Catch him, Daddy.
I'm catching him. Come on. Look at him doing it. Good job. Good job. Okay, you gotta sit down. That works too.
There you go. Good job.
Whoa! Good job, buddy. Good job.
You like. Hi, are you being a good girl? You sitting and staying so good. Call it the slide.
Yes.
Whoa! Good job!
Good. Do the top. It's not very exciting, he says.
You got a little smile though, better than screaming.
That's true. There's a little squeak.